Good morning, friends. It's a gray, rainy day here today. Let's get out of the house and do some antiquing and sightseeing in Catskill, New York. Catskill is about a 45-minute drive from my house. As it turns out, Catskill is only a 30-minute drive from my home. To get there, we cross the Hudson River via the Rip Van Winkle Bridge. The bridge is named after the legendary character from Washington Irving's classic short story. Before we head to the antiques market, I want to show you some of the neighborhoods here in Catskill. The town boasts myriad examples of fine 19th century architecture. When my spouse and I first looked for a home in the Hudson Valley, we made an offer on an Italianate Victorian in Catskill. You can see the house right here. We did not buy the place, but someone else did. I've just parked in front of the Catskill Antiques Market. Let's go inside. The Catskill Antiques Center is actually an old church. This market is more thrift than antiques. Still, it's a treasure trove for collectors. I found cookie jars. Oh, this is very nice work. He's $120. I don't know who this is. Cookie jar. He's only $20. Oh, I love this. Mother Goose. Oh, this is really cute. Salt and pepper shakers. Mother Goose. This is adorable. $35. She's adorable. She has an apron on. And probably the low price reflects this little chip in one of her feet. Look at him. Oh, this is amazing. He's playing the saxophone. He's $40. This is a kitten, I think. He's $25, or she. Oh, and look at her. Very elegant. This is a Southern Belle for $25. I don't know, should I buy a Southern Belle cookie jar? Or maybe I should buy the saxophone player. Or maybe I should just cool my jets and not buy anything. And this cookie jar is a one-room schoolhouse, and it says after school cookies. How much are you? 35. And here's a sleigh cookie jar with dogs and cats going for a ride. $25. I love it. I just found these composer statuettes. We have Chopin, Haydn, and Brahms. Look what I just found. Johnson Brothers. It's a turkey platter. This would be great for Thanksgiving. The platter is 110. And then there are teacups and saucers. And this is what I love. The design is carried into the inside of the cup.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I don't know, should I buy these? They would be great for a Thanksgiving afternoon tea. And I could use one of my silver teapots because the matching teapot is not here. Well, I will have to think about this. Here. And here's a Sheffield coffee pot. It's silver plate. I know it's silver plate because it's only $65. It's in very good condition. We had a lot of fun at the antiques market. And we are starving, so we're heading to lunch. We are at the Port of Call for lunch, and we have a view of the Hudson River. I'm glad we came to this place for lunch. We have a view of the Hudson River, and above the river, in a tree, is an eagle's nest with the babies, and I guess the babies have been bobbing their heads up and down, and we just saw the mother feeding the babies. It's really cool. Luckily, Lizette was able to film the eagle's nest. If you look carefully, you will see the mother and her babies. I ordered the clams oreganata for a first course. Lizette ordered clams casino for her first course. This is delicious. I should mention that it's a very friendly vibe here, and our server, his name is Corey, is terrific. This looks wonderful. For the main course, I ordered a shrimp and avocado rice stack, and Lizette ordered a shrimp po' boy. So this is jasmine rice and shrimp. There's, I think, teriyaki sauce in here, and honey and avocado. Double wow. This is really, really delicious. This was such a satisfying lunch. Our next stop will be the Thomas Cole House, and I can't wait to share it with you. We just had a fabulous lunch, And now we are on our way to the Thomas Cole Historic Site. I've always wanted to see Thomas Cole's house, so I'm glad you are coming on this journey with me. Thomas Cole was a 19th century artist who founded the Hudson River School of American Art. He painted romantic landscapes and architectural works, primarily with oil on canvas. I'm on the porch at the Thomas Cole house. Behind me are the Catskill Mountains, and also immediately behind me are a bunch of lilacs, so the air is super fragrant right now. I love it. So let's go into the house. When Cole and his wife Maria moved into this 1815 house, he selected all of the wall colors, floor coverings, and finishes. In the entrance hall, the periwinkle wall color has been restored to its original splendor. The geometric floor covering is known as a floor cloth. It's a piece of canvas coated with layers of paint, which is then coated with layers of varnish. It was a popular feature in 19th century homes because it was inexpensive and easy to clean. I have to say that the view from every window in this house is breathtaking. In fact, each view looks like a Thomas Cole painting. Cole's paintings on the first floor are reproductions. The paintings on the second floor are originals. Thomas Cole's daughter, Emily, was also an artist. She specialized in paintings on porcelain, as you can see here from the plates and the tea set. Should you find yourself in New York's Hudson River Valley, I can highly recommend a trip to Catskill and a tour of the Thomas Cole Historic Site. We had a great time visiting here today. I just got home, and before I close out this video, I wanted to show you what I got at the antiques market. Let's just say it's somewhat less than a large haul. I only bought one thing that comes in two parts. I bought the Santa cookie jar because you know I love to decorate for Christmas and I love to do a lot of Christmas baking. So this will make the perfect jar for my Christmas cookies. So thank you for spending the day with me as we traveled to Catskill, New York. We did a little antiquing or thrifting. We had lunch at a beautiful place, and we got to see the Thomas Cole house. If you enjoyed today's video, I hope you will give it a big thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye for now, friends.